れかけたページの隙間消えたはずの文字が光る負けたふりで笑っていたね、転んで滲んだ世界それでも手は離さない無理だよって声かき消して今走り出す暁のハートビート鳴り響け震えたままのこの胸で泣き虫だった昨日を蹴って約束よりも強くなる誰も知らないストーリー描くため傷だらけでも構わないくらい闇ごと抱きしめたら私は私を超えてゆける Lucky charm!
Milady, any idea?
Cat, grab this!
Roger. What's that?
Looks like a strengthening tonic.
Got it. On your left, LB.
What? Oh, thanks, Caden.
Strengthening. Don't say twice. You know what, milady? This comes just on time for the summer season.
Not now, Cat. I need you to hold him while I take the Akuma.
Come on, milady. I'd never be that unprofessional. Tasted like strawberry, but a bit gooey. Ugh.
Wait! Don't drink it all! Looks concentrated.
If this impresses her, I don't care how big I get. Ugh.
Cat, what's wrong?
I feel like swelling.
Don't scare me like that again! Silly cat.
What was in that thing? I feel dizzy. And I want to sleep. Face me now if you dare. There's no way I can lose with this body. There's no way. No way. Wait. I'm starting to feel better now. In fact, I'm all powered up and sharp. But this other sensation I feel. Wobbly.
Oh, do you feel better, Caden?
Yep.
Then since when did you fight with your fists?
I don't. But I want other time to show up better than this.
I'm starting to think this was not a good idea.
Don't say that, milady. I'm now 15 kilograms more useful. Come on, you. Let's settle this the old way.
Did you lose your mind, child?
Huh? What's with this tingling sensation?
What's gotten into you now?
I don't know. I feel a lot of pressure build up in this.
Are you competing to see who's got the bigger bust?
Not funny, LB. These muscles feel weird, and this is not stopping. Should I, rub them down? Yeah, there's no other way. It's going up. It almost hurts now. So, here I go.
And now what are you doing?
Hold on a second. I need to knock this off.
Okay, sure. Anytime, Your Majesty like.
Wait, something's wrong. With each stroke, I feel so much bloated. I gotta resist the spurts. It swell and bloat. Oh, whatever. Feels so good. It's getting hard to think. What was that goop? And why I'm getting so soft? I didn't know I loved this feeling. To get all roundy.
Don't tell me you just lost your last brain cell.
Now I kinda wanna spend all day at the gym to stay this bloated.
I wonder if Father would offer.